Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see the demo for Agro PHP web application. Now let's see how to start the project. First open the XAMPP control panel. Start the MySQL database and Apache web server. Next open the Visual Studio Code. Explore the folders and then click the readme text. Copy the localhost PHP myadmin and paste to the browser. Left side you can able to see the database tables. Click the table name, you can view the data. For Windows user, open the XAMPP control panel, start the Apache and MySQL, and then click the MySQL admin. It will promote you to the web browser. Then you can view the backend database tables. Then open the Visual Studio Code, explore the web folder, and then click the JS. Here you can see the AngularJS files. Click the file name, you can view the source code. And then click the HTML file name, you can view the HTML source code. Then click the readme text, copy the project URL and paste to the browser. Here we have two roles, admin and farmer. Let's start with the admin. Enter the admin email ID and password, then click the login button. Login successful. Here we have several models. Let's start with the add scheme. Click the add scheme. Here you can create the scheme. Enter all the fields, then click the create button, it will be created. Enter the scheme name. And then enter the description. And then enter the eligibility. And then enter the required documents. And then enter the time limit. Once you do that, click the create button. So created successfully. Whatever has been created, you can see here. If you want to update or delete anything, you can do it here. Here you can use in the search option. And then click the add crop. Here you can create the crop. Enter the title and then description and then season, soil details and then pesticides. Once you do that, click the create button, it will be created. Whatever has been created, you can view the view crop. Here you can see the crop details. If you want to update or delete anything, you can do it here. Click the update button. Here you can update. And then click create news. Here you can enter the title and description and then click the save button. Then the news will be created. If you want to view the news, click the view news. Here you can view the news. And then click the application. Here you can see the application list. Here you can update the status, whether it is pending, rejected or approval. And then click the user details. Here you can view the user details. Next, move to the format. Before you log in, you have to register. Click the format registration. Here you can fill all the fields for format registration. Once you do that, click the register button. The password must be in 8 digits. It must contain one capital letter, one special character and then numbers. Register successfully. Then click the formal login. Here we have several models. Let's start with the apply scheme. Here you can view the scheme list and then click the apply button. Here you can apply the scheme. And then click my application. Here you can view the status. If you want to upload the image, you can do it here. Click the image update. Here you can upload the image. And then click crop details. Here you can view the crop details. Here you can using the search options. And then click news details. Here you can view the news details. Click my profile. Here you can view the user details. If you want to update anything, you can do it here. So this is a Agro PHP web application.
Code Shopping.